Innovation doesn't start with machines, but with people who want to move forward. Brain4Industry Academy helps companies grow through practical courses in AI, digitalization, product development, manufacturing technologies, and HR for innovation. Our lecturers have experience in industry, research, and development, and they can transfer their know-how into the practice of any company. We use the state-of-the-art facilities of the Brain4Industry Innovation Center, where we have access to the latest equipment for 3D printing and post-processing. We help companies test new technologies before they invest in them. Our courses are open to all types of businesses, and we also offer EU-supported courses to small and medium-sized enterprises. We will help you develop the skills your company really needs, and we will show you ways to move forward, because success starts with people. Brain4Industry Academy, courses that will help you stay one step ahead of the competition. Education for innovation.